Digging out DC.
Digging out DC.
All right, duty calls. Yeah, Johnny is stuck on another call, and we have a motorhome that's supposedly directly across the beach line right now. A couple of people have tried to get it out and can't. So I am going down with the little Tacoma to see if I can move it, me and my broken nose. And if I can't, then I'll call Johnny and we'll put 2 trucks on it. Here we go. Here we come to check out a motorhome on the beach. Oh yes, there is definitely a motorhome on the beach.
It's a day for motorhomes. Hello, young man. I got me and my son run this company. He's going to get he's got another vehicle he's getting, so
Okay.
I broke my nose 2 days ago.
Oh,
but I'm out here to get you.
Hey, I
anyway,
appreciate it. I
absolutely.
appreciate
So what were you, looks like you were trying to turn around, or were you just trying to back in?
Yeah, I was trying to turn, same, one and the same.
Yep,
Trying
yep.
to turn around, and then the front done got too soft out here.
Got dropped in, yep. All right.
Yeah.
Hello, young lady.
Question.
You're gonna be good in just a little bit.
Well, my question is, because we are here,
Yeah.
and I guess I spoke to your son, and he was saying he was going to get us back on the rail, but
On the road.
on the road. I guess my question is, how can we paid to get in here, and do we have to call you again? Like, if you were to put us in a spot and then we're stuck, do we have to pay twice? Can we?
Well,
I understand.
that means
Right.
that we off the beach for the rest of the day.
So this is what I'm thinking. From about, you see where the other 2 motorhomes are?
Right.
Right.
It's hard enough right there, you ain't gonna get stuck. So
But-
just to this side of them, it looks like there might be a spot where you could back in right beside that motorhome, like just to this end of it maybe. And it'll be hard enough you can leave again, you ain't gonna worry about
Right.
it. But here, we ain't gonna do it here.
Right, okay.
Cause we put you back here, you just gonna get stuck
Right,
again. We just
that's
gotta suck you
That's
out.
fine.
My
But-
question
but
is,
I got
wanna
you.
be
But we
able
don't
to-
want to be on.
I don't want to
still wanna be on
leave
the- Right.
if we don't have to, but I don't want to pay again if you put us somewhere where we're gonna get stuck. That's my whole.
I
I don't
understand
have
that
money. I
clearly.
told him before we
I understand
came
that
here.
clearly, doll. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna get you up and out. We're gonna go over here and see if we could do it so that we got you, just close to the exit right here.
Right.
So I think what I'm gonna try and do is I'm gonna try and get behind you. I think I'm gonna try and pull you backward so we get you moving.
Right.
If we can get you moving, then we can move, and we
Then
can
I can
jig,
turn
we
back.
can jiggle you around and get you back out. So the line for us is like, that sand's gonna get soft on us right about here, and then it's gonna get soft on the backside right about here. So that's what, when I get you up out of this hole, that's about what we got to work with to get you moved around, okay? So let me get you all hooked up and get into my spot. Huh? No, he's in a big old white truck.
Oh, okay.
Come on through. Let me get in position. I'll let you know when it's time to do something. Wait a second, guys. There's one more. You're welcome. Ugh. Hey, buddy. How are you today?
Good, man. If you need any help, let me know. I'm around.
I appreciate it.
Just hanging out right here.
Okay, cool. Yeah. I don't think he's that stuck.
Yeah,
I think I'm gonna be able to winch him off.
Yeah.
Back him up a little bit.
Hey, I'm loving all your new videos and your promo ads and all that shit, dude. You're rocking it. You and your son both.
You know what? Stupid people keep you in business.
Well, and I say ignorance, kid. Ignorance isn't stupid. It's just you don't know.
Yeah.
There's a difference.
Do you need it running or not?
I'll come give him full instructions.
Okay.
Yeah, tell him I'll be right there. You be my videographer?
Ah,
Thank
way
you,
to
sir.
go.
Let me know when.
Yeah, just push the button, I'll tell you. All right, my friend, here we go. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have you in reverse. I'm gonna honk, honk. I want you to give it gas like porridge, not too much. Just gently, a little more gas. And as we start to move, we're gonna go back just like 10 or 15 feet. You're gonna turn your wheel a little bit, trying to get your front end going that way a little bit. And I'm not far behind you, so we get going. I don't want you to run into me. I'll back up as much as I can. But we're looking to go about 10 feet back this first shot, okay? Here we go. Little gas. Just a little gas.
Here comes the man of the hour, Big John.
Wait, oh, no, a little bit that way. Okay, wait right there. Just stop and hang on right there. All right, in reverse, leaving the steering wheel just like it is. Give it a little bit of gas. Yep, keep going, keep going, keep going. Don't stop. Don't stop till I tell you. All right, go ahead and stop right there. There you go, love. I could have handed it to you.
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
All right, in drive. And start going forward with the wheel the way it is, and then turn it a little bit and keep going till I tell you to stop. Don't let off of the gas till I tell you to stop, and don't give it too much gas. You ready? Go ahead and start giving it gas, turn the wheel a little bit. Give it gas, turn the wheel a little bit. Give it gas, 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 give it gas. Slow down, stop. Stop. Turn the wheel, put it in reverse. There you go, a little bit more, just like that. Stop it right there, put it in reverse. Give me a little bit of gas in reverse, not a hot rod gas. There you go, just like that. That's beautiful. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Right about there. Go ahead, stop. Turn the wheel straight. Right there, give it a little bit of gas. And when I get you going this time, you're gonna keep giving it gas and just turn a little bit till we get up there, okay? I'll run with you. She ain't gotta get in, we're gonna stop right up there. Go ahead, give it a little bit of gas. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Don't let off the gas, don't let off the gas. Turn this way, follow me, follow me. Keep going, keep going. Bring it back. Bring it back. Don't turn too much. Turn a little bit less. There you go. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Straighten it up. Straighten it up. Straighten it up. Straighten it up. Come on. Stop right there. You're good. Put it in park.
Right here.
Yes, sir.
I appreciate that.
Absolutely. Let me go get my truck. I'll come back up, get paid, we'll get done. Sherpa, shout out to you guys. Winch is amazing, bro. Winch is amazing.
Thank you for your service.
No, thank you for your service, man. Hey, that's what it's all about, right?
That's what it's all about.
We did that, so we can do this.
Listen, it was a couple of other cars, but he said, listen, you're a veteran. Well, he said my wife.
Yeah.
And my wife said, my husband is. He said, well, look, I tell you what.
When Pops get there, show it to him. That's awesome, man. All right. A veteran. A veteran. Imagine that. Johnny would send me on a call for a veteran. Love you, Johnny.
Hey, I really appreciate that.
Absolutely,
We stuck
man.
in that jump about an hour. We stopped, and then somebody suggested raise the back, you know what I'm saying, and put them under there. So that's where we was at. And then somebody was like, "You a veteran?"
I got somebody to take care of you.
Yeah.
I was like,
You
no,
got
so,
people out here.
oh yeah. Well, we got YouTube. You know, we probably got 100,000 followers on YouTube. So I got camera in the truck right there, and I got camera right here on my head. So I recorded the whole thing.
Okay.
So if you cool with it, you'll be on YouTube
I'm
with me.
with that.
You okay
I'm
with
fine
that?
with that. Yep,
Let me
yep.
ask you a question.
I appreciate it.
Absolutely. So here's my question. If I put you up, what should the caption be? What should we say? What?
Well, we from DC. So,
Okay.
So you can say something like, you know, DC come all the way up here to get stuck, or digging
DC.
out DC.
Digging out DC. That's it, digging out DC. That's it right there. So you got a card already.
I got a card.
Much blessings, man.
Appreciate you, brother.
Be blessed.
All right, so that's it. The first successful recovery with a broken nose. So, headed back to the house. A little more rest. Thanks for watching.